This video is to show you how to query your imported customer list based on demographic information. So what I have here is I have color coded the nation based on different population ranges. 0 to 30,000, 30,000 to 150, and then 1,000, 150,000 and up. So basically, what we need to do is create territories. And so we're going to use our data window to create 3 territories, one for the red, one for the orange, and one for the yellow. And then we're going to be able to use those to find the number of black dots in each of those territories. Just find essentially the list of the customers in each of those ranges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off my data and I'm going to go up to the data window. And I'm going to go to counties, and I need to add my population data. So I'm going to click on choose columns. I'm going to choose demographic data. And I'm going to swing over population and put that right next to the name and click set data columns. So now I have a list of all the counties in the US with their population. So now I need to apply some filters. So for the first filter, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to choose demographic data, population, and I'm going to do less than and equal to 30,000. And I'm going to click filter. And now I have a list of 1755 number of counties. So I'm going to use this to create a territory now. So I'm going to click create a new territory. And I'm going to do all the geographies in the data window. And I'm going to click next. And I'm going to do counties pop 0 to 30,000. Click create. And actually, I'm going to remove my color coding now. So I'm going to click clear. And so now I have a territory of all the counties population 0 to 30,000. So now I'm going to click the data window again. And I'm going to go back to that filter. And I'm going to change this. And I'm going to do greater than 30,000. I'm not going to do greater than or equal to. I'm going to click filter. So now I have 1465. I need to apply a second filter if I want to get that in between range. So I'm going to click add. And this time I'm going to do less than or equal to 150,000. So this will be 30,001 to 150,000. So I'm going to click filter. And I have 1,000. And I'm going to click new. And I'm going to do all geographies in the data window. And I'm going to do counties 30,000, 1 to 150,000. And click create. So now I have my second set. So now I'm going to go to my filters and I'm going to remove the second filter and I'm going to do greater than 150,000. Click filter. And I'm going to click new, all geographies in the data window. Counties 150 and up. Okay, so now I have all the nation covered and I have my 3 different territories. So now I'm going to take a look. I can turn on my counties layer and I'm going to go back to that data window. I'm going to click data window and now I'm going to go to my customers, and I'm going to do search by territory. So I'm going to search for locations inside of the territories and create a marketing list. Click next. First thing I'll do is query. I'll do query 0 to 30,000. List of 0 to 30,000. Click create. Search by territory again. This time I will do the next one up. Whoops. I need to make sure that my pull down list is set to my overall customers and then search by territory. And I'm going to choose 30,001 to 150. Okay, so now my second list, go back to that original, search by territory, and I'm going to search 150 and up. So now I can click create. So now I have 3 lists. I have a list of 0 to 30,000, a list of the customers with a population of 30,001 to 150,000, and then I have a list of 150,000. So now when you export, you'll export those lists one at a time, and you can export those to Excel. Now, we don't have a way to click choose columns and add population demographics to the list. So essentially what we're going by is the title, and that's going to tell us that these are the customers within these ranges. I hope this helps. Thanks and have a good day.